Soldier Boy tough. Hey, I got this new dance for y'all called the Soldier Boy. You just gotta punch, then crank back 3 times from left to right. Soldier Boy up in it. Why me crank it? Why me roll? Why me crank that Soldier Boy? That Superman now why me you crank that Soldier?
Good afternoon. So it is Wednesday and we are off to Target after work. Have to go and pick up some stuff that I ordered and just like some groceries that I didn't get at the grocery store the other day. Then we are headed to one of my new favorite stores, Menards. This time I gotta put in a new sump pump because the sump pump that I have is not working the way it should be working. So we are going to go ahead and change that out because we don't want any mishaps with water in the basement. So we're gonna go ahead and grab that, try to get that taken care of this evening, and I'm probably going to season up my short ribs and get those in the slow cooker. So that's what we got going on tonight. Not a whole lot, but I just wanted to pick the camera up and say hello, beautiful people. And I will talk to you guys in a little bit.
They set it up, I got them on it. I bought a new paddock, I had to watch so I two-tone them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. It ain't your car, you just a lease, so you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that fire when I'm performing. The back end just came in and out honest. Vibes galore cute, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but yeah, looking.
Do y'all ever have issues with like clothes that y'all wear? Y'all put it on in the morning, everything is fine, but by midday or by the evening or by the end of your shift at work, your clothes is irritating the mess out of you? That's how I feel with shirts with like collars that are on my throat, around my throat. I swear I cannot get home fast enough to get out of this darn shirt. I got on a t-shirt under a sweatshirt because it was a little cold this morning, and now it's like 41 degrees, so it's not that cold, but I cannot wait to get home and get up out of this shirt. It's almost like if you have on some underwear that's too small and them must keep riding up. Yeah, I know, TMI. That's just how I'm feeling today.
Whenever I tell her to come, she come. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around the town. I'm this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go. Long as I get paid, that little vibe. She been on my mind. As soon as I get back, she can shred. Do this all the time. Every other night, another movie get made.
Good evening, beautiful people. So we are on our way home, so we can go home and get dressed and go out to eat. We are going to a steakhouse tonight, so I figured I would go home and get cute, do my nails, put a little press-ons on. I don't think I'm gonna do much with my hair. It's probably gonna be just like this, but I might put a little rouge on my lips, a little blush on my cheeks, and look like something. So we are gonna go home and see what we got in the closet to wear tonight. We had a birthday party to go to tomorrow as well at another restaurant. So yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys along with. I hope you guys are having like a fabulous week. My week has been a little bit chaotic. I've been dealing with a car dealership, and yeah, I can't wait to get my marshmallow. That's what I call my white truck or SUV. It's my marshmallow. I can't wait to get her back in my hands. So I've been dealing with that, and I haven't really picked up the camera because I was a little, you know, agitated, and there's no sense of getting on camera when you are in one of those moods. So I will pick you guys back up in just a little bit.
Don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around the town. I'm this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go. Long as I get paid, that little vibe. been on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time. This ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Every other night another dollar get made. Every other night started with a good day. I feel like a child, I got boogers in the face. I'm dancing in the dollar. This is a parade. I don't want your chain. I'm going to.
So this is a look for tonight. I'll insert a picture here. And yeah, I don't have on any makeup. I have some blush on. I have a little rouge on my lips. I have some mascara on my lashes. But if I had to sit and do a whole face full of makeup, I would never make it. I will be late to the functions every time. So we are headed out to go to the steakhouse. See you there.
I remember when we started texting. I was playing it cool, you was flexing. I know I wasn't the only one you messed with, but it was good, I was on to the next one. I remember when you started checking up, boy, you must have learned your lesson. Trying to tell me how I always was a blessing. Stayed in the obvious, but you guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga, I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all the mother hoes wasn't about you. And now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please, ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please, I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. Go tell your friends about it. Go tell your friends about it. Tell them about it. Just now you wishing you was with me, living life so true. Even they don't know that you be on it.
It's the shape of God.
I beg to differ. Nope.
I don't know why you think that you're always right.
It's sweet potato, damn it. You're always just trying to justify sweet
Unfortunately, I think you're wrong this time, dear.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all they calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. And everything to get no fasting. I don't care how much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julian style, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Wait. Fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. I ain't get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey. My past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my all the time change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me. It's so embarrassing, all of the things I need living inside of me. I can see it. It's so embarrassing, all of the love I see living inside of me. I can see I'm blind.
It's going to be our community mushrooms.
It's all obsessed with
Potato casserole.
Can I get extra napkins, please?
Oh, they say apple's better.
You ain't getting your bitch back. Calm down, she could be yours, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me you never shit where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much. I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my nothing wrong. Third day, pop out the tone. I like when you put your gun at the red light. I like all that violence, give me dysfunction. I like when you come, never stay the whole night. I like when you hide, never tell me I'm wrong. My past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my all the time change? You still talking about babies, and I'm still taking the plan B. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside.
Good evening, beautiful people. So we are finally out the house and on our way to the birthday dinner. So I will pick you guys up once I get there. And it looks like I'm gonna be on time though, actually 1 minute early. I like to kind of be like maybe a couple minutes early, but things didn't work out that way. My camera handle, the little remote thing, is not working. I was trying to fix it, and then I get in the car, realize I didn't have a pen to sign the birthday card. So I had to run back in the house again because I be very unorganized at times. But yes, we are on our way. It is nice and rainy outside, but it's beautiful. It's a beautiful night. I'm loving to see all the little Christmas lights and all that good stuff. So we'll be back to you in a few. All right.
We are sit the Henny for the day, baby. Bad man, we no spray, baby. Oops, I done fell for you, baby. I know, girl, but you don't know from the first time I seen your love, you got me, baby. Even though, girl, I know that I will fall for you, you got to know that everyone falls. Oops, I done fell so deep, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. Oops, I done fell so deep, cause everyone falls in love sometime. I don't know about you, but it ain't a crime. If you let me love you, love you, love you, love you for a long time, baby. If you let me touch and if you let me love you till the morning, if you let me love you, if you let me love you. We are standing for the day, baby. Come my way, baby. Top down on the highway, baby. And if you let me love you, shorty, she ain't even got a visa.
You just can't help yourself. You can't help yourself.
So you can put that first slide up.
This has no alcohol.
Yeah, I'm like, I want that blueberry. And I said blueberry is blackberry.
I don't think she's getting anything. And it's a good example. So you're just
One night teaser. Need to tell them other niggas sees off. I'm falling, but everyone falls. And I know from the first time I see your love, you got me, baby. Even though, girl, I know that I will fall for you, you got to know that everyone falls. Oops, I done fell too deep, baby. Oops, I think you got me, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. I'm falling, but everyone falls.
Somebody in here, it's your birthday.
It's your birthday.
Somebody in here, it's your birthday.
It's your birthday.
Everybody move like it's your birthday. Mama dance on your birthday. Mama gon' break it down on your birthday. Birthday?
Birthday.
Birthday?
Birthday.
Birthday?
Birthday.
Birthday?
Go, shorty. It's your birthday. We gon'
Inside in the building.
Hang all the mistletoe. I'm gonna get to know you better. This Christmas, and as we trim the tree, how much fun it's gonna be together. This Christmas, fireside is blazing bright. We're caroling through the night.
And this Christmas will be a very special Christmas for me. New kid is gonna make this Christmas right. New kid is gonna make it. And you, there's nothing we can't do. Shake a hand, yeah.
Presents and calls are here. My world is filled with you and you.
the town and you. This Christmas, fireside is blazing bright. With Carolyn.